Good morning, students. Myself, Mrs. Karuna Devi, the teacher of Gokhale Education Society's JDC Bitco English Medium High School from Nasik Road. In this lockdown period, I am posting the videos of 8th standard maths for State Board's English Medium students. In our last video, I have started our second unit, that is parallel lines and transversal. In that, we have finished our practice set number 2.2. I hope that you have completed in your classwork notebook. Now let's start our practice set number 2.3. In that we are going to learn how to draw a parallel line. Let's start with our first question, where we have to draw a line L. Take a point A outside the line. Through point A we have to draw the parallel lines to the line L. Let's see here. Here I have drawn one line, that is line M, and according to the question I have to take a point A outside the line. Suppose here I have taken one point which is called point A. Now through this point A we have to draw the parallel line to the line M. Here with the help of set square we are going to draw the parallel line. Among these two set squares, the set square which is a longer one, that we have to place like this way. The downer part of the set square is attached to the original line M, and our point M, which should be close to the standing position of the set square. Now we have to use the another set square and arrange it close towards the first set square till we get the point A. Now like this way we have to draw the line at one side, and then with the help of scale we have to continue it in previous side. So in this way we can get the line N, which is parallel to the line M from the point A. Again our second question is given, that is draw a line L. Take a point T outside the line. Through the point T we have to draw a line parallel to the line L. It means just like as our first sum, we have to draw the parallel lines towards the original line. I hope you can definitely do the second sum. So this question is for your practice that you have to complete in your classwork notebook. Now let's move towards our third most important question, which is little bit different. Here we have to draw the line M and draw the line N, which is parallel to the line 8 at the distance of 4 cm. It means they have given us the gap in between two parallel lines. So just see it. So this is one of the line. Suppose this one is the M which I have drawn over the paper. Students, be careful whenever you are drawing the line first. You have to use your line which is given over the notebook page, and you have to draw the perfect line over that only, so it will become very properly. Now over this line L I have taken two distinct point or any 2 point. Suppose point A and B is given. This point help us to draw the next parallel line. Now from these 2 points we have to draw two perpendicular bisectors or the two perpendiculars over the point A and B, which we can draw with the help of set square also. We have to use both the set square and then we have to draw the perpendicular. Otherwise we can use our protractor, which is very easiest one. So like that way we can place it. Now I am using the protractor. Put the point of 90 degree, join it, Give the arrow. Again from B, we have to draw the another perpendicular. Join these 2 points. This is the another perpendicular which is intersecting to the line M at the point B. Now take a distance of 4 cm from the original line. So from point A we can take the 4 cm distance like this way, and we can place a point here. Then also we can do it. Otherwise, by using the rounder, you can take the measurement of 4 cm into the rounder, put the metal point over the point A, put one arc, then same distance we have to take towards another perpendicular, put the metal point over the point B and put one arc over the perpendicular. Now in this way we will got 2 points. Suppose this one is point X and this one is point Y. So we have to join these 2 points with the help of scale. Put the arrows at both ends, and this is the line N. So this line M is parallel to the line M at 4 cm distance. Did you got it now? Like that way you can draw the parallel lines even at the particular measurement also. So like this way our practice set number 2.3 is over. So your today's homework is to complete the practice set 2.3 in your classwork notebook. Take care of yourself. Thank you.